Hey, it's Rob here, and I'm just doing a short video where I'm showing off my green screen studio. You can see behind me there's a big piece of green cloth, and that's used to use Chroma key or Ultra key in Adobe Premiere to strip out the colour. So, g'day Dave, how you going? Just doing a quick video here showing off my green screen studio. So I'm actually recording with a camera that's going to be used to show the green screen over my shoulder here. I mean the finished product. And I'm also doing this live video to show, g'day, how are you? Just doing this video to show the setup I've got. So I'll just switch the camera around. A bit of a mess. It's also a playroom in the past. So that camera there is actually recording now. And I've also got a microphone down here. So when I'm finished, I'll actually grab the card out of that camera and switch over into the computer and then have a separate video where I show how to actually create the video that's going to be shown, and I'll drop in a background which replaces the green screen. So when you have a green screen, it's important to have it well lit, and you do that by having two lights at least, one either side. And the mistake I made in the past was to have them too close, so it's good to have them about 2 meters away and you get an even lighting. Don't know if you can see, but the green screen itself is a bit creased, but because of the distance from the camera to the green screen, it doesn't really show up. I also have another light here which lights me up, which you'll see when I'm actually editing the video. If you don't have that light, your face ends up being a bit dark. So that's pretty much it. So what else is there to point out? I've got a light up here. That's called a hair light, and it's used to give a bit of separation from the green screen. It lights up the back of your head and makes your body stand out. The cloth itself, it's just pinned up on the wall. You can, if you own your house and want to paint it, you can paint it green, or you can get backdrop holders and you can swap out this and put in other backdrops, which is what I'd like to do. But I just have it pinned up and then it extends onto the floor so you can do full body shots. And that's about all. So after I get off this live, don't show the big mess, after I get off this live I'll switch around. Yeah. So after I get off this live feed, I'll jump on the computer and actually edit the video, and then I'll show you how that turns out. So anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching and see you later.